So hi everyone. So I planned for like larger group, but raise your hand if you know how many new technologies came out last year. It's really hard. You know why? Because every month, if not every day, we would have a massive number of new technologies coming out and introduced to us. And for teachers, it's just one more reason to fail behind, because basically they cannot learn all new technology and how to use them. And here's the problem. So when it comes to teaching teachers how to use technology in classrooms, we rely on more like on the technology itself. So we basically giving them the fish instead of teaching them how to fish. But here's where my research comes in. So my research is proposing to shift the focus to be more on how teachers learn. And based on current literature and in my research, I identified 4 basic guidelines that could be used in any teacher education. And I want you to count with me because this is what I want you to learn today. Number 1, to connect what teachers are learning to their classrooms, so it's more relevant to them. Number 2, instead of sit and listen, no, we encourage them to be active, physically and mentally active with the content they are learning. Number 3, to show them, to give them examples, how it's being done. Number 4, to make their learning ongoing, so they can retain information after a while. And in my research, I did a case study to explore the perception of more than 43 teachers in the College of Education with 2 research questions. The first one was, what was their perception of having these 4 guidelines in their learning? Number 2, how these 4 guidelines impacted their learning. And the key results are so promising. So these teachers perceived having these guidelines to be effective because it provides them authentic learning, active learning, and modeling. Who would say no to examples, right? And when it came to how these guidelines impacted their learning, they said it was positively impactful because they were in the learning process while learning. And they could work with each other and interact with each other so they can exchange information. And if you're like someone I know, you would say, so what, Ali? Well, to answer that question and to conclude, my research is contributing to the shift from technology to how teachers learn as one step toward empowering teachers to use technology to the best of their abilities. Thank you.